Hello boss! The high-speed box screw packing machine adopts automatic components, such as manipulator, automatic feeding, cotton forming, product boxing, and box sealing. The PLC control system makes the machine safer and more stable and the human machine interface operation platform makes the machine easier and faster to use, making the entire packaging process more automated. The equipment has sufficient strength and rigidity. Ensure that the equipment remains stable at high speed. Reduce the wear of each component and ensure the extra long life of the whole machine. We have experienced team of R&D engineers who can customize packaging solutions according to your product's characteristics. If you need, please contact us.